Oh dear, I didn't realize it'd come back this far. Can you guys hear that? Why is it making that sound? And what's the password for this? No, damn. Goals notes 768. Thank you. And now we need. Where's the. Okay, there's something seriously irritating going on right now. There we go. Please let it. Okay, hopefully that sound's gone. Okay. Oh no, we don't want to go this way. Ew. Oh, yeah, alright, never mind where I went this way. Alright, go back around. That sound's still there, it's gonna drive me batty. Wait, there we go. No, not that way. Crap. Hey, JC. There's no button on this side? Seriously? There's a button there. No button. Can you guys hear that, or is it just in my headphones? Oh, damn. Okay, that has to stop. Oh shit! Really? Toasted. I should have realized that would have been temporary. Oh, this thing is going to drive me crazy. There we go.
The system we're looking for is in the laboratory up ahead.
Is there seriously nothing? Oh, I hate the sound. I don't know what it is, but it's... Alright. What do I have? 9. I wonder if this is one of those times where I could use, like... Oh, shoot. No. Okay.
This storage area would be a logical place to find a stockpile of the virus. I don't know why it's so empty.
Shit. That's not gonna fly. Go away. Catch up to him. Oh, shit. Well, I guess I try that again. What? I quick saved before. Oh, shit. Okay. Well, I'm gonna stop it here because I can't stand that sound anymore.